Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee High Altitude in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With dark headlamp bezel finish, premium fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, dark lens tail lamps, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 8,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5677.